In the previous lecture, you have learned how you can download the source code for a specific package by searching it and by installing it. So we have also seen you can use the source code while playing with it, and you can customize your whatever command and whatever package you have installed, same like that we did in our earlier lecture when we customize our ls command, right? So let's move ahead, and in this lecture let's learn about how you can uninstall the packages and how you can clean up your linux environment. Okay, so let's move on our ubuntu vm. Now if you want to remove any or uninstall any package, how you can do that? So you have a command called sudo apt get remove, and suppose if you have installed x all pack apps, so you can do that. Okay, but I would say this is not recommended way. Okay, why? Because it will leave all the configuration item or dependency that was installed with it behind. Okay, so it's not the best way. Instead you should use purge. Okay, so I will use purge here. So once you will use purge, so it will uninstall all the application packages installed with these xall apps, and also it will remove all the dependency and configuration for this package. So I think I haven't installed it because I uninstalled it earlier. So if I will hit enter, it will not tell me that hey, it is able to install it. Okay, so you can use purge command. Okay, now so whenever we were suffering the web for our packages.ubuntu.com, then we looked for a package and those packages had some dependency with it, so they will not work without some dependency. So if we will use this command here, so what it does, so it will leave some of the linked dependency behind. Okay, so for removing them, what you can use sudo apt get auto remove. So basically they will remove the dangling packages also. Okay, so dangling packages are those packages which get installed as a dependency with the other software or other packages. Okay, with the linking of them. So I will do that, and it will remove whatever is necessary. Okay, so it didn't remove anything else. Now we have run our auto remove command. Now, so some of the packages also make a copy on your local system. So basically, whenever you will try to install that package or do something or modify the package again, so it will not ask for you to go again and go on the web and download all the packages from beginning. Okay, so they store somewhere on your local system, and if you are sure that you are not going to use them again, you can install them. Okay, so by default the repository for storing the archive is at var cache, then apt, and then we have archives, cd archives. If you will go there and list the content, so you can see there are various packages in there, they are stored, and if you don't need them you can uninstall them. Okay, if I will see the size here, so these are the size, and what's the total size? If I will go on the top, so it is total 857 megabytes. Okay, so we can clean it. So how you can clean it? So you can go to sudo apt get and clean. Okay, once you do that, and if you will see the command again, cd archive, sorry, I am already in my archive. If I will list the contents here, so you can see all the things are gone, all these packages or Debian packages are gone. So these are basically .dev. So in Windows it is .exe executable file. In here it is .dev. Okay, and also if you want to delete so some of them it's not needed and some of them they are not needed. So if you want to do that also, then you can use sudo apt get auto clean. So what auto clean will do? Auto clean will uninstall the packages or delete these packages which are completely not needed. Those were only stored whenever they were getting installed for the first time. Okay, so it will clean up. Okay, so yeah, hope you are clear with the uninstalling the packages. Now we are now at the end of our journey, and that's it. So it's definitely no, so you can go and practice more. So if you are not able to set your own VM, if in case, so you may go to a browser and search for online Ubuntu terminal. So it will give you various links for playing with some basic command of Linux. If you are not able to create a Linux, then you can also use your Azure portal or cloud platform to create a VM for you. So they will create a VM, you can resize them whatever you want. And if you want to practice more, then look for man pages, see how you can troubleshoot them. If you are having issue with anything, then look for man pages, seek for community support, search on the web, so you will find all the help whatever is needed. Okay, so Linux community is very big. You will definitely find the solution for any specific issue. Okay, so basically the community of Linux is adding new features day by day on your Ubuntu OS. So basically, if you see that some function are not working, just search on the web and see what's the way around. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lecture. So we'll try to create a new practical wonderful course again, and we'll meet you in that new course. Okay, so till then, take care everyone. Bye.